I'm so excited because my #1 wish list plant is here. And it is a begonia. I've been wanting this begonia for so long now. Like, it's been, I don't know, at least a year that I've wanted this guy. And I have yet to find an actual, like, substantial plant that wasn't, like, ridiculously crazy. Sorry, I'm, like, so swollen and so puffy. I just woke up maybe like 30 minutes ago. So I'm still trying to depuff and wake up, actually. But I just got the notification on my phone that it just got delivered. Let's go to the mailbox and go get it. I need to go ahead and get it out of there because it really likes high humidity. And I need to go ahead and put it inside my cloche so that it'll be good and safe. Thankfully, it's only been in shipping for like, I think it shipped out yesterday and it got here today because the seller actually lives in Florida, I think pretty close by too. So let's go get it. Do you ever get plants in the mail that you're relatively excited to get? This is not that day. This is the day where we're super freaking excited because this is one of our #1 wish list plants, and I'm just so excited. Ah! We have the plant. The plant has been obtained. I'm really interested to see how they kept the humidity up in the sky. So I'm thinking that it's probably in some sort of like cup type of vibe, or some sort of like enclosure inside, like a little, plastic cup on top of a plastic cup. Does that make sense? Makes sense to me. But yeah, I see my house, so let's go open it. I haven't been this excited to open a plant, and I don't know how long, because I've really wanted this plant. Really been searching high and low for this plant, and I know that there's definitely been tons of listings out there for this guy, but I'm not willing to pay $100 or something like that for a leaf or two. Like, it's been selling on eBay for crazy amounts, and I'm just not willing to do that. So I found this listing on Etsy from Southern Oak Aquatics, and I jumped on it because it was such a good price for such a full looking plant, it looked like. Let's go ahead and unopen it. Let's go ahead and open her up and just very excited. My heart is racing. My heart is beating so quickly. It makes sense that this person is an aquatic shop because this plant likes to be in a terrarium type of environment because it needs such high humidity. So excited. Is there anything else? Okay, nothing else in there. It says what the plant is over here on this side, which I already knew, but you guys don't. You might know because I'll probably do a thumbnail with the picture of the plant in it. So, oh goodness, it's got all this shredded up paper inside. Oh, I am very surprised that this is not enclosed. I was really hoping that it would be, so it would give the plant a little bit extra structure. So that's a tiny bit disappointing, but let's just see. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess and a half. Oh, I'm trying to be very gentle, very delicate, because this guy is very delicate. I really wonder why she didn't ship me it. Oh, it's like, oh, it's blooming! Oh! I could just cry. This is Begonia Amphioxus, and he is just so freaking cool. I love the green leaves and the red spots on it. I watched a video from somebody, I can't remember who it was, and they were saying that they really like this plant because it looked like it was poisonous. And it really does. It really looks like, you know, like a poisonous dart frog or something like that. Oh my gosh, this is just the coolest plant ever, and I cannot wait to see how it does. Let's go ahead and take all this tape off, which thankfully there was absolutely no soil that seemed to have come out, but and the soil seems pretty damp slash wet slash moist, whatever word you'd prefer. I promise this is not going to be another emotional unboxing, but I do really want to just cry because I've been on the hunt for this guy for such a long time now. I'm trying to be very careful and not cut the leaves with my scissors while I'm trying to take the tape off. Oh. Well, unfortunately, one of the leaves did break on the inside and the tape was stuck to it. So that's kind of like the downside of doing that whenever you tape them like that, is that the leaves might come out with the tape, which kind of sucks. But gosh, look at her. Look how just cute and really cool that she is. I was already prepared and ready to receive this plant. So I've actually already bought it, a cloche, and I couldn't find like an actual item that was called a cloche or anything like that. And basically it's an enclosure that helps keep the humidity up for plants or terrariums or what have you. And so I went to Walmart, of all places, and I went over to their candle section because that's the best thing that I could do, best thing that I could find. And I found, like, you know, a little small bottom. I think this was just like, it was less than $5. And I also found this guy, which was also less than $5. I think it'll be so cute resting in here. So let's see. Look how cool. I can't get enough. This is so awesome. This is such an awesome plant. I'm so happy that I have added this guy to my collection. He's so cool. Yeah, thanks you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you really like the content, make sure you subscribe, and because we like to put out a lot of new planty videos at least every single week, if not multiple times a week. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one.